offer lifetime whitening.
Hmm.
What? What's that? Let me explain what that is. This only applies for custom trays because they have to have a set of custom trays. You know, with Go, those are disposable trays. They're thrown away. They're not kept. So this applies to our Zoom, and this applies to our Opalescence Take Home. They have a set of custom trays. Now we provide patients free whitening gel, 1 or 2 syringes. We buy those from Ultradent. We pay $3 a syringe. You could pay $3 a syringe too if you buy enough of them. We pay $3, and we give them 1 or 2, depending on their food habits, and depending on, you know, if they engage in a lot of foods that cause staining, we might give them 2. If they don't engage in as many foods, coffee and tea and stuff, we'll give them 1. A syringe will provide 4 applications of whitening that will give them a nice boost, you know, a nice touch up. Now, Naren, Carly, my hygiene scheduling coordinator, tells me that she saves 5 to 7 hygiene cancellations a week because of our lifetime whitening program. Let me share with you how that works. So Naren's on the phone. You're calling Carly and you say, Carly, you know, I've got an appointment this afternoon for hygiene and I just can't make it because I got a project at work I got to work on. Oh, Naren, I see that you have, thank you for the call, by the way. I always appreciate the courtesy. Thank you so much for your courtesy. Hey, I see that you have lifetime whitening. Remember how that works? As long as you keep your recommended hygiene appointments, you get free whitening gel. That's such a great value. I'd hate to see you lose that. Is there anything you could do to rearrange your schedule and keep your hygiene appointment today so you stay in the whitening program? Now, I'm often asked, Gary, how do you administer this? And the answer is, I don't. I just let Carly administer it. So Naren, if this is the first time you've tried to wean out of an appointment, the first time, and truly, you really have to go to an emergency meeting at work or you're going to lose your job. Carly can say this, Naren, I'll tell you what, you're such a good patient of ours. I'm going to give you 1 get out of jail free card. I'm going to keep you in the way. As long as we can reschedule your hygiene appointment, I will keep you in the whitening program, but you only get 1 pass. In the future, you got to either show up or you got to give me 48 hours advance notice. All I'm really looking for is the 48 hours advance notice, right?
Right.
So, Naren, does that sound okay? And what are you going to say to Carly when she's giving you that pass?
Absolutely. I'm going to say absolutely. I'm going to find a way to reschedule. Absolutely.
Thank you. Now, if you were a serial canceller, no-shower, then she might take you out of the program. Doesn't happen very often.
Using a carrot, right? So you're using the whitening program as a carrot. Now let's talk about the economics. How much would it cost, Gary? Like if I'm a dental practice to do this free whitening for life?
So $3 a syringe.
Right.
Now the average hygiene appointment in North America is worth $150.
Right.
150. That's the prophy, exams, x-rays. Yours, plus or minus depending on your fees. 100, but on average, we've actually done that data in thousands of practices. So Naren, you're a business guy. Would you pay $3 to put a butt in the seat for $150?
Yeah, absolutely. That's like 3 divided by 150, 3 divided by 150. What is it? 2%. So that's like 2 cents on the dollar.
6.
Yeah.
Okay, if she saves, I told you, Carly has data on this, 5 to 7 a week. Let's just pick a middle number and say 6. 6 times 150. $900 a week is saved. Add that for the month, times 4, $3,600 a month, and it costs me a few dollars in whitening gel. Yeah. And plus you're keeping the patient happy. What a great value that is. Think about it. $300 for chairside whitening and includes a lifetime whitening.
Yeah.
It's a great value. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to click like. The full podcast episode link is below. Be sure to click that if you'd like to listen to the entire podcast episode. And most importantly, be sure to ring the bell to subscribe. That means every time we upload a new episode, you'll be the first to be notified. Thanks so much.